Who commands Jordan?
President Donald Trump.
Who gave you the weapons and the tactical uniforms?
Jordan through Silver Corps.
What jobs does Cybercorp?
Private security contracting and consulting, known in some places as mercenary work.
How many American contractors were in the camp and the operation?
2, including myself.
Can you describe Alex and how was your interaction with her?
She was late 30s, early 40s, 130, 140 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, light skin. She spoke Spanish and English, and she drove us from Barranquilla to Riohacha.
Can you describe the man in the wheelchair?
He arrived in a nice SUV. He had on a nice shirt. He had gold jewelry on, and he appeared to have some influence.
Who was leading the Venezuelan military deserters?
Captain Cicada.
How did you know him?
I met him when we got to Riohacha.
Can you describe the safe houses where he was staying in Riohacha?
There was one that had a large brown garage door, a front entrance to the left, a window to the left of that, 2 large trees in the front, and a balcony on the second floor. And the other one had a large gated area out front. It was a White House, and it had a police station very nearby. The first one was on 25th Street, I believe, and the other one was somewhere between 30th and 37th.